F20T12 times 4. Thanks, Jason, for the light fixture. Awesome. One more time. Those pictures are what it looked like before, but what it looks like now is just stunning. As you can see, we've removed all the old wiring out of it. However, these lamp holders still have the cloth wire, but it's actually in pretty good condition, so we're going to continue to use this wire right here. I got some more lamp holders on the way if I ever need them. We painted the inside in white with the Rust-Oleum appliance paint, and we painted these end caps in black, and they look absolutely stunning. That was done yesterday. We also took these decorative metal pieces, and as you can see, I got most of the rust off them and they polished up really nicely. Also, look at the ballast cover decorative strip. It is so shiny you can see the camera in it. This is beautiful. Lastly, the ballast cover itself, it got a nice coat of black paint. I masked the labels so you could still see the original information on it. It is a General Day Lite Company, and it was union made in the USA. With that being said, we went to True Value today, or actually no, Ace, Northwest Tool. Got plenty of wire. We have some wire nuts and 2 new old stock ballasts, which replaced these ballasts right here. They still work, but they're not exactly safe, as you can see. If you look in there, you can see bare wire. So with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and get wiring this fixture up. I'm gonna leave the camera running. I'll probably edit this video because this is gonna take a long time. Let's get to wiring. All wired up. All right, this is going to be the moment of truth. Alright, here we go. We're putting the bulbs in. Almost broke the bulb. Now it's time for the starters. Maybe some paint in these starter sockets. I'm worried about that. Alright, here's the moment of truth. One bulb is not lighting. Let's see what's going on here. I'm going to check it out. We'll be right back. Alright, let's try that again. There was paint in the starter socket. Epic blink fest too. So guys, it's now wired up, and once it finishes drying, we'll install it. Alright, here the light is all back together. We're going to fire it up one more time. The bird doesn't like that. We'll turn on the elevaTOURS video light and see if we can... No, we can't override it. But there is the labels right there. It is a General Day Lite Company light. I painted around the stickers. Look at these beautiful chrome end caps. I polished them up, as well as the chrome strip on the ballast cover. So now we're going to hop on that ladder over there and hang it. Alright, now I'm going to get up on the ladder and make some marks up there so I can see where I need to drill the holes. Thanks to the elevaTOURS video light, I can kind of see. And since I have a safe ladder, I can work up here, but my drill is going to fall probably. Ooh, there goes something. Let me stick the light up over the doohickey. Here's my hot and neutral, and I hope it's straight. Let me see here, where was it before? Where was the holes before? Let's see if I can use the existing holes that were there. And there it is. So now we'll say, Alexa, bedroom light on.
Okay.
Wow, and what a light show. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. And that will be it. Tinklebird says, a huge thank you to all our patrons.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more.
And you know what to do. Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe. And light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.